Please, we are allowed to take the paparazzis, can take pictures, and then let's all have our seats as we invite for the opening prayers. Yes.
Live here with the president of the Golden Movie Ambassadors Association of Nigeria. It's an Alhaji who's just come back from the holy city of Mecca, Medina. Alhaji Ambassador Saidi Maduro, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy, and I'm happy to be here. And I'm happy to host that special man, Baba Charles.
Okay, so let's talk about that man, that legend, that living legend, Charles Agbako. What can you say has been his impact in our entertainment industry?
He has done a lot. We, the Golden Movie Ambassadors Association of Nigeria, we are hosting him today because he has done a lot. He has done it. Let me use myself as an example. We left Lagos with him and we went to Ibadan. I said, sir, can I play a bad boy with good attitude? He said, go ahead. And he gave me a clue. He said, I'm going to play a bad boy lead jazz Olumo, speaking big grammar. You go do yours, good English. Because they have this kind of perception about we Yoruba actors that we're not learners. So, and I took to his advice. He did his and I did mine. And today they call me Walata, bad boy with good attitude. So, and a lot of guys who played the kind of role he played have done so well. He was there during the days of Seth Lloyd. He was there during the days of home video. Digital Day, he's still there. He gave it to him. He has impacted the life of a lot of actors. So I gave it to him.
Alright, so why has TG Man decided to do this?
He said, celebrate the elders if you want to be one. Celebrate the legend if you think you want to grow. We have to. We are Golden Movie Ambassadors Association of Nigeria. Who is an ambassador? Which means you have done well in your field. You can represent your country and stand for your country in the whole world. That is who we are. He is an ambassador, the first of his kind, I would say, in my country, and known actor who is 100 years old. So why would I celebrate him? He's an actor who is 100 years old in the Yoruba realm, African realm, known one. The Golden Movie Ambassador needs to celebrate an ambassador who has represented us so well. Give it to him. We need to celebrate. We want to live to our name. Absolutely.
What do you think will be the role of legends like this? As entertainers, what roles do you think we play towards the development of our nation at large?
Entertainers, we are like a prophet by birth and inclination. We see the future, we remind the people of their past, and we tend to shape the present for them. So, as an entertainer, we should try to teach them, and two, we should do a lot of research. We can help in our country. Today, they are removing subsidy. I can ask, and I ask my producers, have you done a film and educate people the power of subsidy? If they remove it, it goes right or left. We need to educate people. We are like a prophet. We should help to shape people's lives. Producers, we got to do well. Movie Ambassadors Association of Nigeria, we're trying our best.
But what will be your final word, a word of advice to somebody who wants to perhaps belong to an association?
Look left and right, think, read their constitution, and if you think you can match into whatever they want to do, go ahead.
Are they expecting anything from him soon, personally?
Any project from you, sir? A lot of projects from me. They call me Mr. 12 Mark. I have done 4. I did a movie 15 years ago. I'm going to release it next month. 15 years ago, a lot of actors like Toya Imapuye were all there. 15 years project. It's coming soon. And I did a movie and completed. I have 1,700 artists without award. It's going to come out by September this year. I know you should expect movies like Online, Finding Reti, cinema movie coming to mainstream very soon.
Don't be surprised. He's the first person in Africa to actually do a 2-cast movie. Yeah, that's the man. If you want our president.
That's my man. If you want to get it right, think right. Talk less, more action.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.